baby, I'm wasted. All I wanna do is drive home to you, baby. I'm faded. All I wanna do is take you down.
Oh, when you're ready, we can put this behind us. Maybe we can find us again. I know, put this behind us. We can find us again. 'Cause I don't know.
Como cuando te di.
Sometimes you need to feel the pain and sting of defeat to activate the real passion and purpose that God predestined inside of you. God says in Jeremiah, I know the plans I have for you. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. And when you have reached the hilltop and you are deciding on next jobs, next steps, careers, further education, you would rather find purpose than a job or a career. Purpose crosses discipline. Purpose is an essential element of you. It is the reason you are on the planet at this particular time in history.
I will be one of the greatest, that is a vow, yeah, that is a promise. Always wanted to be famous, just being real, yeah, just being honest. My haters won't always be nameless, give them no clout, I give them no power. Creators built different, they ancient, sooner than later, what will be ours? I keep an eye out for the numbers, I stay in contact, synchronization. To infinity, even beyond it, I am a common, no destination. A lot of things I am above, and there are a lot of things that are above me. Do not come for the people I love, cause then I get scary, then I get ugly, yeah. Ain't no problem when I'm the equation. Present, loaded, observation. I'm not new here, reborn creation. Come and find me, sending location.
Yo, listen up. Yo, listen up. Yo, listen up. I'm blue, never dee, never die, never dee, never die, never dee, never die. I'm blue, never dee, never die, never dee, never die, never dee, never die. I'm blue, never dee, never die, never dee, never die, never.
Honey, I see you looking at me. I'm ready to go with you if you want me.
Sexy.
'Cause baby,
baby. I'm wasted. All I wanna do is drive home